Here are the top 3 best decisions that I made during my 20s that made me financially stable in my 30s. Hi, I'm Rai. I'm a unit manager for 5 years, leading 29 Financial Advisor, and currently I'm a 10-year financial advisor now. For the past 10 years, I have helped more than 1,000 clients in managing their finances and secure their future for the better. Number 1, I set big goals and set high standards for myself. Alam mo ba, libre lang mangarap pero bibayad pag ginawa mo na. A lot of people wanted a lot of things but they don't want the sacrifices. So naalala ko before, I have parang delayed gratification kasi may mga nasacrifice ako na mga gimmick, ganyan, kain sa labas, travels, because inuna ko yung goal ko. So instead of travel, ganyan, gimmick, I invest in myself. So I invest in trainings to improve myself. Syempre, nag-attend din ako ng mga personal development trainings, yung mga ganun. Okay. And I try to apply these trainings on my side hustle, and dun nga ako nakapag-start as financial advisor. Third, nung nagkaroon ako ng side hustle, I tried to invest. So, actually, I started investing when I was 20 years old. So, my first plan was life insurance and investment. So, that time, ang itinuro niya sa akin is habit. Habit ng pagsisave. Hindi naman kailangan malaki, basta I started. Kaya naman, if you want to achieve big things, you want to set high standard for yourself. And start to invest in yourself by attending trainings for like personal development. Invest in skills such as marketing, sales, and financial advising. That will enable you to earn more income. So, if you like this video, leave it a thumbs up or follow for more.